Otherwise, the Outback carries over to the new year unchanged. The Outback lineup features a pair of flat four-cylinder engines. A 182 horsepower 2.5 liter is standard and a 260 horsepower turbocharged 2.4 liter is optional. Both mate to a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT) that mimics an 8-speed gearbox to mitigate annoying engine drone. Of course, all Outbacks have standard all-wheel drive, which is a Subaru staple, except for the rear-drive BRZ Sports Coupe. The Outback we tested with the standard engine delivered unremarkable acceleration and lazy transmission behavior. While the turbocharged version was considerably quicker, it was plagued by the same recalcitrant transmission. The Outback delivers SUV-like styling with a car-like ride and a ton of cargo space. A four-cylinder engine is standard, but if you need extra power, there's an optional turbocharged 4 with 260 horsepower. The most rugged-looking version of Subaru's rugged-looking station wagon, the Wilderness trim, receives a minor update to its grille and front bumper for the 2024 model year that make it look even more ready to hit the dirt. The price of the 2024 Subaru Outback starts at $30, $240 and goes up to $44, $090 depending on the trim and options. The premium model has the best set of standard and optional features for the price. While it's only available with the standard 182 horsepower four-cylinder, we think upgrading to a higher-end trim to unlock the turbo's improved acceleration and the 800 pounds of extra towing capacity isn't worth the money.